Holy donuts. Holy hell, we made it, donuts. We're at Holy Donut. It's kind of a famous place in Maine, as we've been told. They are donuts made from mashed potatoes, one of the ingredients. They're supposed to be a healthier type of donut, but they have lots of different flavors and stuff. So we're gonna go try it out and let you know how they are. He loves donuts. Okay, this is the place. We've been told. Gotta have some Holy Donuts. Look at this. They even have blueberry soda, which we get to tell Doug since he didn't know about the blueberries in Maine. I think I'm gonna have some blueberry soda. Sounds good.
Blueberry soda.
It's even blueberry soda in Maine. They have blueberries in Maine.
I still have to Google that, see if it's true. Thank you.
Real Maine mashed potatoes.
Okay.
And our sweet potato donuts are made with real sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato donuts. So wait, they all have mashed potatoes in them?
Absolutely. They're all made out of potatoes.
Okay.
We have a couple specials here. Well, I can only see one special. This one's 75 cents. The ones in the green writing are 75 cents more. But this is the only special one we have currently left.
Okay.
All of the prices are down here to my right.
Okay.
And you want
I'm gonna get two.
I'm having
'cause I
one
wanna try
to
different flavors. I'm gonna go back to yours.
To cooperate with my wife.
They have this blueberry one.
These are the only flavors they have. Apparently they don't have very many Maine blueberries in Maine. Not enough to make donuts with.
Okay, so we'll try the dark chocolate toasted coconut.
dark chocolate toasted coconut?
I'm having cinnamon sugar, but their most popular
Right.
is the dark chocolate sea salt is their
dark
most
chocolate
popular.
sea salt. 3 different ones to try. This is
Looks like a regular donut.
the wild blueberry, or we're just going with regular blueberry soda.
Just so you know, it's actually blue or berry. Can't use the B twice. So it's either blueberry or blueberry.
You have to take it into perspective in terms of it being a donut. It's supposed to be healthier, I guess. I don't know how much because I don't know what the other ingredients are, and it is obviously deep fried, so it can't be all that healthy. So I'm kind of used to a donut's a little more, I don't know, richer, maybe sugary, I don't know, something like that. But it's definitely not bad. I find it yummy enough. I would say for me, not oh my god.
Okay.
How about you? Not an oh my god.
I'm not as you're very generous with your it's not that bad. It is certainly not bad.
Right.
But if you're gonna call yourself a donut and you're gonna make me drive to Maine to eat you as a donut, you better be freaking good.
I don't
This
know that
donut-
anybody was telling him to drive to Maine for the donut.
If you put a Dunkin' Donut next to this, or a Krispy Kreme donut next to this,
Krispy Kreme wins every time.
or
Because it's a donut. It's
any
bad
of
for
those
you.
places,
Yeah.
you'd be like, yeah, I'm not eating that.
Right.
But so
For a
if
healthier
they
version.
but if they called themselves, what's this place called?
Holy donut.
They called themselves the Holy Round Mashed Potato Yummy Thing.
You might have more of a
Yeah, but they called themselves donuts.
Right.
And
That is true. That's a good point. I would say my association with donut, yes, a Krispy Kreme, a Dunkin' Donuts. That's a donut. That's a yummy donut. It's bad for you, but that's what we're used to what a donut is.
yeah,
Okay,
it's a deal.
so we're all out.
Next up.